Baby. Wow, cat. Hold the cat on the head. Wow, cute. Is this cute? No. What you're gonna name? What you're gonna name the cat? Cat. What you're gonna name? Cat. No, Hello Kitty. Yeah. Okay. This is name Hello Kitty. Okay, baby. Say Hello Kitty. You want to name him Kitty now? Yeah. Okay. His nickname is Hello Kitty, guys. And his real name is Kitty. You like Kitty? I hold something. What is that? I hold something. Hey, what is that? Hey. It's just a ball pen. That's okay. Can I see? It's a ball pen. Other one. That's ball baby. You like Kitty? Look at me, Kitty. Ooh, bless yan. Nice. That's it. Meow, meow, meow. You like it? Yeah. You like it, baby? Say hi first. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. What is name this? Oh, Kitty. Kitty. Hello, Kitty. Who's the dog? Who's the dog, baby? Angela? Yeah. Yes. Angela. And who's... That's not Angela. That's Hello Kitty. On the down. Angela's on the down. Don't see it. Who's the other kitty? Mimi? Yeah. Mimi's the other kitty? Yeah. We have two cats, guys, and then we have one dog. Because this is a cat. But where other cat died? It's named Sora. It's so kawawa because it was sick. He never poop. He never eat. He just ate a little bit. Guys, I think part 2 is coming by.